when there was a Jewish community that lived in the south of the city, and they moved out into the country, in Fairview. It's around 1718, and they lived just up the road on Phillipsburg Avenue, and they took out the first lease on this site in 1718. I think mainly the Jewish community left here when they moved over to the south side. I know from speaking to people from around here, there is certainly a local memory of a thriving Jewish community here, and there were businesses, Jewish businesses in the area, but they slowly filtered away. And it's been closed as cemetery since I think the 1970s. They finally said that it's no longer a cemetery. And the most of the Jewish burials have been taking place in Douglas Barn since the early 20th century. We don't see it as ever being fully open to the public. It's too small and sensitive a little space, but we will probably have public access by arrangement. We would love to be able to open up the front and provide visual access, but again there are conservation issues there. We want to improve the current access. It's not doesn't come under universal access, it's not Part M compliant. So we'll be working with the Conservation Office over the next few months to come up with how best to provide access to the site. One main works we have done really is to try and get the landscape back under control. The weeds have taken over, so we've been we've been clearing away junk that has built up over the years. But as you appreciate with the conservation status in fact it's graveyard, you have to do these things very slowly, and you can't excavate into the ground, you can't sit in diggers. We've completed a conservation plan for the structure and the walls, and we have done laser survey of all the monuments, which adds to the information. There was a major study that was carried out in 2003. We had archaeological students in the archaeological office. They worked here for a summer and they recorded all the monuments, so we've added to that. The conservation plan envisaged converting the house into a caretaker residence, so we'd hope to put somebody in then on a caretaker arrangement just to look after what is a really interesting little jewel in the community. They're rare enough, because it is the oldest Jewish cemetery in Ireland, so it is special.